everyone, it's Serena. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited because I get to unbox with you Potomac Beads Best Bead Box Treasure Edition for the month of September 2023. Now for those that aren't familiar, every month Potomac Beads, they will unveil a monthly subscription box, and there's jewelry findings, jewelry supplies, beads, you name it. It's all bundled together for the best bang for your buck. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you're interested in purchasing a subscription box for yourself as a gift or for the crafter, if you are crafty, make sure you take a look at the description box with the link below to guide you. Let's get started. All right, so let's check out what we have. Oh, so they have a themed box here from what I can see. This is the Potomac Beads Happy Camper Treasure Box. Escape from the city lights and settle in beside our campfire. Scarlet and amber flames illuminate the dark woods around us, giving a slight glimpse of tall, dense foliage and mossy rocks beneath our feet. Allow the crackling fire to lull you into a perfectly peaceful state of mind as you explore the contents of your treasure box. And it looks like we have 19 items in this Happy Camper September 2023 box here. Let's dig in. With the ceramic button. 2-hole button there with kind of a rough terracotta colored looking back. Some nice blues and blends in there. Okay, so you get the button there. Get silver colored findings. They're metal beading frames. All right. These are interesting, very cool findings. You also get some 8mm, 0.8mm bead tech knotting cord in the color brown. Now, it says you could use this for, it's a nylon cord for macrame, knotting, and crafting. 15 meters long. Pretty cool. I've never tried this. This looks very like something I would use on a regular, for sure. All right. Next is going to be some lampwork beads. This looks like a variety of lampwork beads. Lampwork glass beads. Looks like you've got all kinds of little designs on here, some stripes. Pretty cool looking. You also get some check glass flower cup beads. Those are beautiful. They've got a touch of green swirl in the glass there. Those are check glass flower cap beads. Really cool. It's already quite a bit you get there. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is probably one of my favorite pieces here. This is the check glass trapezoid. You can use this in a pendant. It's an excellent looking focal bead. And it looks like it has like it's got transparent, like a green transparency color, and then you've got some oil slick design on that in the glass. That's beautiful. So if you start to notice like a cohesive, these are earth tones, fall vibes, again, that's a Happy Camper inspiration. Keep it in mind for the month of September. You get, this is beautiful. Probably my favorite, #1 favorite right here of mine. It's a sitting cat bead. That is so beautiful. You can't see the iridescence in it. You can definitely see it in person. It's beautiful. It's drilled top to bottom. I love that. Cat lovers, look. It's beautiful. Check glass. Okay. There's also, you get a few of these check glass nugget slices. They're in the color transparent smoky. Does have a beautiful finish on the side. Look at the thickness of these guys. So pretty. Smoky transparent in color. Okay, you get those. You also get some check glass red and black swirl oval shaped beads. Those are pretty. Kind of like a tiger pattern there somewhat. Reds and blacks, and they're transparent in color, like a twisted oval. Those are beautiful. Get those guys. And some microfaceted, kind of resembles the mirror reflection in these beads. They got a gunmetal plating. These are 8mm right here. Those are nice. You get those guys. Boop. We got a runaway. And you also get 2 different color sets of 4mm bicones. I'm going to show you one color at a time here. It's quite a bit. Now, these are the color Garnet Opal, and they are, again, 4mm. Garnet Opal is the color of these guys. Look at how beautiful. You get those bicones, of course. Woo. Making sure I don't take any with me as I reach for the next set of these. So that's the first set, is the Garnet Opal. And then you're going to get the Topaz. These are Potomac's crystal bicones, you guys. This is in the color Topaz. These are also 4mm. I love these. Such a beautiful fall color right there. I'm going to have a fun time with these guys. I'll tell you what, guys, you got to stay tuned, because the future videos are going to be what can be created with these guys. And this is just one subscription box. Like, we're not done yet. We're still going through it, you guys. There's 19 items in this bundle here for the month of September. This item is the gemstone round beads. Now, these are 4mm in size. These are sodalite gemstone. Sodalite gemstone. Beautiful, just beautiful. You get a strand of those. Now, what do we get next here? We've got some check glass design coin beads. Now, these are great. There's 10 of these here, you guys. These almost have like a satin color in the blue. And now they look like little crusader crosses. Those are beautiful. Check glass, and they're double-sided coin bead here. Okay, so you get those guys. Then we've got some check faceted rounds. They're a tiger blend color. So they're brown. They look black with like a caramel swirl in there. These are faceted. And these are 8mm. Beautiful strand there. Okay, let's put those there. Oh, happy camper vibes, I can tell you that much. These guys are a check glass smooth round, also 8mm rounds. And these are very transparent. These remind me of s'mores and chocolate and just all that goodness. These are really pretty. Very smooth. 8mm strand of those. Then you've got, these are really pretty. There's quite a bit of these guys. They seem to have rolled here. These are going to be check round beads, also glass. Now the color for these guys is opal bronze, and they have a luster finish on them. You see that pickup there? You get these guys. Now, for the sake of not having things roll off of camera, we're going to set those on their own little packaging, you guys, so we can effectively go through. Oh, run away. There we go. Okay. Another item you get in this bundle is going to be check glass round colored beads. These are 4mm. The color is light topaz. So it's almost like a hint of like a color, honey color almost. However, it's light topaz. Those are beautiful. So many of those you get. And we also get some check glass tile beads. These are the color opaque sunflower. God, those are really pretty. Earthy vibes, earthy tones, fall colors. Those are really cute. I love the artsy beads. That check glass, you can get some artsy like effects in there. Really pretty. So there's that strand. And last but not least, folks, you do get a check glass cup button. Now this button is in the color Jet Bronze. I just love that. I don't have any of these, so this is definitely going to come in handy. I love to use them specifically when I do bracelets. So I'm definitely going to be using some of these. Like I said, stay tuned. There is a lot of items here that you see. Again, that's September's monthly Happy Camper bead box here that you get. The Treasure Edition bead box here. That's quite a bit. Again, don't forget, you guys, make sure you visit the description box if you're interested in purchasing from Potomac Beads their monthly subscription boxes. You can see and find these type of deals by following the link that will be posted in the description box. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and you'll see some creations from these items. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when there's new content available, especially the Potomac Beads monthly subscription boxes. Have a good day.